Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the easiest way to make pom-pom with two colors of wool and fingers. To begin, put two strands of wool in between your two fingers and then wrap around the first color of wool on your finger for 40 times. Then tie firmly to secure. After that, cut the edges of the woolen design and then trim it until you get the pom-pom. Just follow along and see how I'm doing that. Because I'm using two colors of wool, one of the pom-pom will be mixed. Just follow along and see how I'm doing all of that. At this point, join the three pom-poms. Tie to secure and make a triangular shape. Trim until you get the heart-shaped design. Attach bead right there and make a handle. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Thanks so much for watching, and I surely see you all in my next one.